Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the series with the mauves, the reds, the pinks, the berries, and I think the mauves. I might put a few mauves in there, but this is the series for February. Please keep sharing these videos and subscribe because I need you to subscribe and put the notification bell on. I appreciate it very much. Thank you again. Let us just start with these eyes. I have the MAC paint pot on and I am ready to start. I'm using, when I tell you old school palette, it is so old, they're not even in business anymore. But you will see it at the end or somewhere in the beginning. So let's just have some fun. I'm going into a red. There is a red in here. I want to try it. This palette is old. Let me see if it still does the same job that it's supposed to. So we will see. So far, so good. I have a big fluffy brush and I'm just going over my eyes, crease, and everywhere else that brush touches will have a red. But this is going to be a quick eye look today. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. If you're struggling with any addiction or mental illness, please seek help. Now I'm just doing the edges. Do not dim your light for another. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. You are too important to give up on you. Always, always, always find help if you think that things are getting too bad where you cannot handle it anymore. You are not alone in the struggles. We all have our own issues that we're dealing with. Do not be ashamed of whatever is going on. Don't let shame prevent you from seeking help because help is available. I cannot stress that enough. Help is available. No shame in sickness. No shame in sickness. Always, always, always look for help. I'm using a small brush because I'm going into the brow bone with a white. And I'll blend it out with a different brush. I'm putting a lot. So when I'm ready to blend it out, I have enough. Eyeshadow is not hard. Makeup is not hard. Just have fun with it. Now that I have it on, I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to go windshield white because I'm trying to blend the red and the white together. Today's I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy of love and respect. These I ams make me dance because you have to expect people to respect you. Don't accept anything less. Respect. Respect yourself and make sure other people respect you. I am worthy of love and respect. This is a pink color I'm just putting on the lids and in the crease again. Quick video. Please remember to subscribe. I am back with the berries. It is what it is going to be for the series for February. And here is another one. There are more and plenty more to come. The whole month of February is going to be plums, berries, pinks, red, mauves, and we're just going to have a ball. Pull your palette out, have some fun. The white to highlight the brow bone, and then red and pink. This is it. Ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think in the comments. Remember today's I am worthy of love and respect. Love and respect. I am worthy of that. You are worthy of love and respect. Please subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell. This YouTube subscription to my channel doesn't cost a thing. I know there are lots of subscriptions that cost money. This one costs nothing. Subscribe because there'll be plenty more fun, good vibes, encouraging words with eye makeup on this channel. Please watch a playlist. The OG palette I am talking about is so old. It is called the Queendom palette by Urban Vibes Cosmetics. My sister gave that to me a while back. I still cherish it and I still have it. This is the palette. It's called the Queendom palette. I love this palette. I cherish it. Even if it's ungluing, I plan to glue it. See, it's ungluing here and it's ungluing here. I still have to repair it with glue, and it is a beautiful palette. The piece, as you can see, has separated. This is the mirror piece, and it has unglued. You can see where the glue was. So I'm just going to re-glue it, but this is what the palette looks like. This palette is so beautiful. So beautiful. I bring down the light so you can see how pretty this palette is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Queendom palette by Urban Vibes Cosmetics. I don't think they are around anymore, but again, I could be wrong. So check, maybe you'll find somebody selling it somewhere. Bye.